Chapter 1, additional question number 2. Ernie has just moved out of his parents' house into his first apartment. However, he's struggling to keep up with his new responsibilities, particularly with doing laundry and washing dishes. He can wash a piece of laundry in 4 minutes, and it takes him 2 minutes to wash a dish. He hates doing chores and is only willing to devote 1 hour per day to these tasks. Part A, draw Ernie's PPC and calculate his opportunity cost for each good. Okay, so first of all, what is PPC? PPC stands for the Production Possibilities Curve. So if he's using his 1 hour, that's going to be his resource, efficiently, what are the bundles of laundry and dishes that he could efficiently produce? Okay, so let's start by drawing our axes. Now, it doesn't matter which good you put on the X or the Y, but if you're comparing two agents, it's good to be consistent. I'm going to put laundry on the X, and I'll put dishes on the Y. But if you switched it, that's totally fine too. Okay, so what we want to find is our two extreme points. So if he's only doing laundry, how much laundry can he make? If he's only doing dishes, how many dishes can he wash? Okay? All right, let's start with laundry. So we've got 60 minutes to work with. And one clean piece of laundry takes him 4 minutes. So if he's spending his full 60 minutes only doing laundry, that means that he can clean 15 pieces of laundry. All right, so we can label that as our extreme point here. If he's spending his 60 minutes doing only dishes instead, so one dish takes him 2 minutes, that means that he can wash 30 dishes in that hour. But he's not doing any laundry, okay? So we found our two extreme points, and then we just need to connect them, and any point along this line will be an efficient allocation of his resources, okay? So this is our PPC. The second part of the question asks us to calculate his opportunity cost for each chore. So there's a couple of different ways to think about opportunity cost, but essentially what it is if you want an additional unit of one good, how much of the other good are you sacrificing? Because we can't have it all. Economics is all about scarcity and what we do with our scarce resources, in this case, time. Okay, so let's think about laundry. There's a really nice shortcut, especially when you've graphed your PPC. If you've graphed your PPC, the opportunity cost of the good on the x-axis, in this case laundry, will just be the slope of our PPC. So remember, slope is rise over run. Okay, so remember rise here, run here. Let me label that. Okay, so in this case, our rise is 30. Our run is 15, and so our slope will be 2. Of course, the slope is negative, right? If we want an additional piece of laundry, that means that we have to sacrifice 2 dishes, okay? It's a cost, so it will be negative. So we can say that the opportunity cost of laundry is 2 dishes. Another really nice shortcut is that once you've figured out the opportunity cost of one good, all you have to do to find the opportunity cost of the other good is just to take the reciprocal. So if the opportunity cost of laundry is 2 dishes, that means that the opportunity cost of dishes is 1/2 a piece of laundry. Okay. Another way to go about this is to think about how much time you're spending by choosing to make an additional unit of one good. So if I want an additional piece of laundry, how much time does Ernie need to spend? Well, it takes him 4 minutes. Okay. If he wants more laundry, he needs to sacrifice 4 minutes. Okay. In those 4 minutes, what could he have instead? Well, he could be cleaning dishes. And one dish takes him 2 minutes. So that piece of laundry means that he's giving up 2 dishes. Okay? We can see this graphically. So if we want one piece of laundry, going from 0 pieces of laundry to 1 piece of laundry, that means that we need to sacrifice 2 dishes. So we can only have 28. Okay? So we're losing 2 every time we want an additional 1 piece of laundry. And then if we move the other way, so if we're starting here where we're devoting all of our time to laundry, if we want 1 clean dish, that means that we are sacrificing half of a clean piece of laundry. Okay, so that'd be 14 and a half. All right, so different ways to think about it, but it all comes back to the same idea, is that if you want more of one good, you're gonna have to sacrifice some of the other good.